brand new React video tutorial series. So in this video tutorial series, we'll build a restaurant order management React application. Using Chakra UI. So this is what basically we will be building. When a user comes in, and then launch the application, so they can actually see what you're seeing. So they have to enter the email to get started. Once they enter the email and then just press start, so we will actually show this nice little UI where they can look at the menu. They can browse between different menu item. They can check different categories. So after that, once they decide to order, so they can click on add to cart, select number of quantities and add to cart. So once they add to cart, they can see this in their cart, and then they can pay for the order, and so they can actually make a payment for this one. So if this video tutorial series get good reception, we will also look into how to build the backend and then integrate the Stripe payment. So once we click on pay, so we will show this nice little pop-up which says that processing payment. After the payment is successful, so we will show this success status. So and after that, the whole workflow is, so a user can check what they've ordered once when they click on this button, the dollar sign, so which all build items. So to get started, so what I'm going to do now is, so this application is already built, so we will build this from scratch basically. So what we are going to do now is, so I'm on my PC, so I will go into my documents, my repository, and then cd into, so I created a new folder called restaurant orders. So and then I will just go to React website, React, so this is the React website. So we will just follow what's here to create the new application. So npx create, just copy this one, paste it there. Instead of change the app name to whatever you want, so I call it restaurant orders. So I'm not sure if I spelled restaurant correctly. So let's just focus on the video tutorial, the coding part, rather than the typos and all those silly mistakes we make as we just go along. So it will take some time for the installation. So in the meantime, so the code editor we are going to use is VS Code. So we just go and open that particular folder where this thing is being created. So it's in my documents, YouTube videos, restaurant orders, open, and then open this guy, and then wait for the initialization to complete. So as a part of this course, what we will be doing is we will be using Chakra UI to build our the user experience. So so get started is here. So I will leave the description in the below, so you can actually look into how to get started here. So this is our brand new React application. So we will do a cleanup. Before we do a cleanup, we'll just get this application up and running. So we just call npm start. So it will basically launch our React application. So yes, run this in another port. So yeah, so this is the fresh React application. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a bit of cleanup. So to just keep what is needed actually just for this one, we just remove all the unwanted files. So we start from index.js, which is the actual entry point. We remove this, we remove this, we remove this guy. So and then we just need app. The rest of the items we can remove. So and then save this guy, and then inside app we don't need CSS and logo. We remove this, and then we just don't need any of these guys. Then we remove them, and then we just create an h1 tag inside div. Welcome to my restaurant. So yeah, it's working. So now we can start clearing out all these unnecessary files that we have. So I'll delete this guy, move to trash, index, logo, delete, move to trash, delete, move to trash, delete, and then here delete, then from here to here we just delete. So we have index.html, which is the root, and then we have index.js, which uses that root, and then build our app on top of it. So we have app.js. So from here we will start building the application. So we just refresh this one. Yeah, so it's working all fine and well. So as a starter, so we just go into our index.html, and then we look into the title tag. If I can find that, Control F. React. So we call a restaurant Fat Belly. So that will be our restaurant name. So in the next video tutorial, so we will do this package.json dependency installation. So we will install all the necessary dependencies, and then we will start building our application. So see you guys in the next video tutorial.